everyone, today we'll be learning about area. For this activity, our learning objectives are for the students to measure the area of different objects using various materials and to estimate and compare the area of different items. The assumed prior learning skills that the student will have is counting, appropriate organisation of the materials, for example having no spaces between the unifix if they choose to use unifix, and know how to make estimations. How this activity works. So today I'll be choosing an object from around the classroom, and I've chosen to use a plastic container lid to find the area of. And I'll be choosing a material from around the room. There's paddle pop sticks, tiles, Kinder squares, and unifix. Today I'll be using the tiles to find the area of the container. So before I start, this is when we model to the students. I'll be making an estimation of how many of these square tiles will fit onto my container lid. So my guess is, I'm going to estimate that there's 18 tiles that will fit onto the container lid. Okay, so the next step is to actually get the tiles and to put them onto your container. Making sure there are no spaces in between. Okay. So once we've covered the area of the container lid, we'll count to see how many are actually on there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, so the area of this container lid is 24 tiles. So now I'll record my answer down on my piece of paper to show my answer. Okay, so now, just what objects from around the classroom would you like to choose to find the area of?
I'll choose a CD.
Okay, so Jess has chosen a CD cover to find the area of. Now Jess, what material from around the room would you like to use? She has the option of paddle pop sticks, tiles, Kinder squares and unifix.
Unifix.
So Jess has chosen to use unifix to find the area of the CD cover. Before we do that, Jess, you have to make an estimate of how many unifix you think will fit into the CD cover.
I'd say 20.
20. So Jess has chosen 20, so now you can record your answer. Now you can proceed to putting the unifix onto the CD cover. This is a good activity for kids because they're using their hands and visualising when they make an estimate how many unifix they think will fit onto the CD cover. It's a good activity for kinesthetic learners because they're using their hands and finding the area. Kinder squares are good to find a bigger area of something, so if you are wanting to find the area of a table or even a book, these are probably a better option instead of using little unifix because that would take forever. Okay, so Jess has covered the entire area of her CD cover. Now she's going to count to see what the actual answer is.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36.
So how many unifix did you find on your CD cover?
36.
So 36 is the area just around. So the justification for this activity is this activity is suitable for a Year 2 level because it allows students to explore and to use real life materials to complete the task. Oswald states that in Level 2, students compare and order several shapes and objects based on area using appropriate informal units, which is paddle pole sticks, pies, kinder squares and unifix because they don't actually have a measurement on them. Thank you for listening.